Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a quick trick to collect resources faster and get more materials in Heartopia. The secret is simple, just wait for rainbow weather. During this rainbow weather you will receive a special buff called rainbow blessing like this. This blessing increases your chance to collect extra resources every time you gather. And for example, when harvesting mushroom like this, you can get up to double the amount compared to the normal weather. And this doesn't only works for mushroom, it also applies to the other resources like apples or and then mandarin, timber, and then quality timber, and many more. So instead of farming randomly, just save your stamina and then just gather your tool first. Then when the rainbow withers appears, just start collecting everything around you as fast as possible to maximize the bonus like this. So don't miss rainbow weather if you want to farm efficiently in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.